In this set of videos we've been talking about a reinspection programme that doesn't break the bank. Earlier ones we spoke about planning, who's going to do the job. This time we'll talk about how it's going to be recorded. I've read far too many reinspection reports that are just a rerun of a survey report. I mean, terrific, another 90 pages that nobody's going to read. So what actually is a reinspection report? I went to this building on this day, looked at these things and everything was fine. Or if it wasn't fine, this is what was wrong. Even in a big building, that's not going to take up many sides of A4. The other thing you've got to think about is who's actually doing the job. If you're using your own people, if this is a bolt-on to their normal duties, then your grand scheme isn't going to go very far unless you give them a way of recording the survey very quickly indeed. One nice way, if a little stone-aged, is to think of checklists. A form fitted to the building, these are the locations you're going to look at, and some way of recording it. Fill this form in once a year, send it to me, I'll file it, and that's it, job done. We've got a record of it. Yes, it's Stone Age, but if that works for you, terrific. But if you've got more asbestos, more buildings, you need a bit more oversight, then you're going to need to get a little bit more technical. But you don't need to get that much more technical. This isn't the space programme. Keep it simple. You can take that checklist idea and just develop it into an electronic system. One screen, one list, tick, everything's fine, move on to the next record. Bang, bang, bang. An electronic system approach also lets you do things like, I can record photographs much more easily. If your people have got tablets with cameras or just using their phones, then it's easier still. So you can build up a photographic record of what's gone on at the same time. What if there's something wrong? What if something has changed? Well, you need to give them either a way of amending the record in the system or telling you to amend that record. On top of that, you might want somewhere that they can record some additional comments if it helps, but other than that, it's pretty much job done. An approach like that's very nice because it gives you a lot more management oversight. You can see what's been done, you can see what's overdue, and you can see that people are using the system properly. You're not waiting until a form lands on your desk and go, oh, they've done it wrong. So, done right, you can have an electronic system that allows people to bang through a reinspection very quickly, record the photographs if necessary, and at the same time give you the assurance that something's being done correctly. If your system's really designed properly, then you're able to see what's changed, who changed something and when did they change it. So again, you can see if the system's being used properly. So, quick sales pitch. Our new AIMS 5.5 asbestos management system gives you all the functionality that we've discussed over this video and the previous ones. So if you want to know more about that, give us a call or check out some of our other content. We think it's got some useful information about asbestos management without too much sales pitch.